Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on auto-syncing music to the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can set it so that when you add songs to your favorites and playlists on your phone, they will automatically add to your watch. Tap the digital crown to open the App menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Music. You can now tap the toggles to the right of Add Playlist Songs and Add Favorite Songs to enable or disable automatic downloads of your playlists and favorites. When the toggles are green, automatic downloads are switched on, and when grey, they are turned off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.